Hi, my name is Carlos Gonzalez, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use nodemon for your Node applications. Enjoy it! We're learning today how to use nodemon or nodemon. Um, you can call it whatever you want. Uh, it's just a package for Node. Okay, the first thing I have to do is open my terminal. I'm using iTerm. You can use whatever you want. And let's see, where am I here? Let's move into projects. You can do it in whatever file you want, but I'm doing it in projects file. So I'm going to make a new dir, which is going to be called my block. There you go. And I'm going to get into my block. Right? You should be already have Node installed, and if you have Node, you have npm, which is the packager for Node. So it's very easy. You just have to do npm init, and that will initialize a new project in npm. So the first thing you will notice is that it kind of asks us a lot of questions. If you don't know what it is, it doesn't matter for the purpose of this video. And if you want to know about this, please comment in the blog. I'm going to start making these videos in base of what you ask me in the comments. So please comment whatever doubt you have. Anyway, I'm going to just press enter to everything. Okay. Now they ask you, well, Node ask if that's okay. You just type yes and that's it. Okay. What you want to do next is to open your editor, your favorite editor, in this folder as a project root folder. So I'm going to open Sublime. You should be able to do it with this suval space dot indicates that we are in that root. So here it is. And let me just put it in this size. There you go. Okay, now I have Sublime open, and you can see that I have this folder which is my block and the package JSON. What is this? This is a way npm handles every version and everything we download or we add to our project. It's going to be here. So let's start a new file and let's call this app.js, right? I'm just going to save it, and when I save it, you will note it is added to my folder, and now I can start writing JavaScript or Node. So let's start with the very basic stuff. Login, console login. I am running, right? And that should be it. Let's go to our terminal. We can just say node app, right? It's running. So okay, we have our first app working. Let's do something a little more advanced, or what I want to do is just start a server in Node. So we can do it like this. Let's get rid of this, and the first thing we want to know, we want to do is require a library that Node has, which is HTTP library, right? And what I'm doing here is like I'm telling Node, okay, I'm going to use this library, but I have to assign this library to a variable. So I'm going to do var HTTP. It's equal to require HTTP. Now the variable HTTP is going to hold everything that HTTP library has, right? Okay, and then what I want to do is to create a server. What kind of server? An HTTP server. So HTTP dot create server, right? And that will do it. I'm sorry about that. Okay, oh, that will do it. Also, you have to assign this to a variable, and we're going to name these variables a server. Okay. Well, this server is going to have a callback function. So let's say function. Everybody knows how functions are, and that's it. So what is this function is going to have as parameters? We're going to have a request, which is the request the client is going to do to the server, and a response. So we're going to response, and right ahead we're passing these variables, these parameters. Let's do this really quick because I want to get into nodemon, or whatever you want to call it. There's a discussion about the name, which I think is not that important, you know. Okay, so we're responding that, and we're typing here hello node, right? So now we have to make this server to listen to this port, and that's it. Let's run our application. And okay, well, we have this is because the server is running but waiting for something to ask. So open your browser and type localhost port 3000, and here it is, hello node. Okay, well, that's for started. Now imagine you need to change. You don't want to say hello node. It's a bit weird. Let's say hello world, right? Classic. So well, that is that. And oh, why is this still giving me hello node? Where you have to stop the server and run it again. That's it. That's it. Well, the problem with this is that when you're working with a lot of changes in your server, where you're building an app, that starting and stopping and starting the server is very tedious. What are we going to do with this is to install a model to Node, which is called nodemon, whatever. What this is going to do is that it's going to listen to our files in our application, and whenever it finds a change, it's going to restart our server, so we can be more fast about the development itself. So let's do that. I'm going to stop my server with Control Z, and I'm going to say okay, npm -g. This means that I'm going to install nodemon, or whatever I'm going to install, in the global scope. So every part of my machine it's going to have it. So yeah, no demon, and let's do it. Okay, well, yeah, I have to install it, right? That's that. That's it. It's running. So because I want you to take a look of what is happening, I'm going to do something with my screen like this. I hope it works for you. So okay, I want to say, I don't want to say hello world. Okay, well, first of all, let's do it. Yeah, this is working. So I don't want to say hello world, I want to say hello guys. So did you see that this change? And now, hello guys, that's it.